Hey guys, it's me, back on Essentially, and today I'll be showing you guys a simple tutorial, quick tutorial on how to make Spider-Man action figure. The new action figure is not a new one, it's the old design from Spider-Verse. So yeah, we'll be trying this anime type. It's not an anime, it's more of like a Disney type of Spider-Man design, which I've never made before. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun thing to try out. So from the looks of things, I can immediately see it as a skinny action figure. So we're gonna need a torso which is tapered like a cone. So for that, let's use some black A4 paper and let's roll this and turn it into a torso. Alright, so there's our body. It's just a simple little cone with the tips cut off. Now similarly we can do the hand and the legs, so let's do that as well off camera. Okay, pretty coincidentally this is looking like a spider, but that's not what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to notify these two as the upper arms or the biceps, and these two as the lower arms, forearms, and then these as the thigh, and these as the forelegs or the lower part of the legs below the knees, right? So this is the left side, this is the right side. All you gotta do is turn these each into cylinders, and then we need to attach them together. Alright, we've got the basic cylinders down. Now these are more of a cone shaped pieces than a cylinder, because that will make it more lifelike, but you can use simple cylinders in this for the matter of fact, because it doesn't really matter. This is a simplistic action figure model. It doesn't have to be like fully detailed or anything. So yeah, anyways, I've got these 8 cylinders ready. Now all I gotta do is make the head, attach them together, and add some designs. But I'm planning on doing that attaching together part in the end. So yeah, actually let's do the head and then we will do the attachments. So the first step in making the head is just take your finger, index finger, and roll this piece of paper around it, and that should give you a desired head size. Right, and now let's move on to the designing bit. For this we'll need a little bit of white A4 paper, like just this much, to make the eyes. Can't really decipher how it looks. So like a curve right there, and then that's too big. Right, so just like that we have 2 eyes. Hopefully they fit together in the face. Don't think they will. So I'll quickly add some designs on this bad boy and we'll attach it after that. Alright, so I've finished the coloring and it looks really slick, so it looks very aesthetic. So all that remains is to attach these pieces all together and form one giant Spider-Man. Alright, so first off, let's do the head. Just put it in there like this. And to secure it in position, I'll use some tape from the inside. Like that. So it does look like a floating head, but that adds to the total amazingness, hopefully. Or we can just paint the back of the tape. Okay, no more floating head now. That's how it turned out. It does look a bit weird putting the tape down there, so let's change plans a little bit. Let's add an actual neck. Okay, that's very annoying. Alright, there you go, an actual neck. Now let's add the arms. So yeah, I'll quickly do this and I'll see you when it's done. And just like that, here's my interpretation of the Spider-Man from Spider-Verse. So this looks pretty simple. Like there's some sort of like artistic value to simplistic stuff, and this definitely does have that. So from the back it looks like this, and yeah, there's the Spider-Man logo, the mask, and everything. So yeah. That's today's project completed. This was a quick video, a demo on how to make action figure, and if you did learn something cool, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment down below what I do next in my video, like my videos, and share them. Thank you, bye, see you in the next one.